Let's work on the nails for a second over here. Okay, just gonna zoom in. Select this guy. I'm gonna subdivide him probably 3 times. Tab and Control. Go to sculpt mode. I'm gonna press I to inflate this guy. So sweet, and I'm gonna go to the draw shop, press F to decrease the brush size. Just creating some of these strokes on him. As you can see, we might need to subdivide this guy even more to get most of this going on. Just coming in. Just creating that to that. And then check from the other side also. Smooth that out a bit. And then here on the other side. And just smooth out some of the edges. And just dig in some of this, making it like it has been through a lot. Press F to increase the brush size. I'm just going to dig it at the bottom. Over here, I'm going to press F to decrease it again. Like so. And come back in. Here we go. Some of them on the edges, just exaggerating some of it. See how I leave almost the edge very smooth. If I hold down Q, Alt and Q, select this guy, subdivide him, I can roughly build this, how it's gonna align. I think let me first scale this guy. Go back to object mode, press S to scale him, G, I'm gonna move him, like so. Push him inwards. Go back to sculpt mode. Just gonna build that. Okay, go to press Alt Q again. Select this guy and press G, press F to increase the brush size, and I'm just gonna roughly give it some volume to it. Like that. And that's over here. So if these, so we're gonna do one nail and then just copy it to the other side. I'm gonna grab the draw sharp, then press shift to decrease the brush size, and I'm just gonna create that pinching over here. Just undo that, just kind of went overboard. Just creating that look over there. Just gonna pinch it over here and also over here at the ends, so it would have that look like it's coming from the inside, like something like this. Okay, switch, and press G for the grab brush, press F. Just gonna fix this now as I see it fit. So something of this nature. So there's it for our nail, and press file, save. So now we just do a copy of these guys to the other side. So go back to object mode and just add a mirror modifier, which won't work. See if we have a mirror object. Yeah, we go, and then it just mirror to the other side. And then now you can just do copies of this one. Right, so, and just rotate, press R. G, roughly giving it that. Press Shift D to do a copy again. Press R to rotate. R again. Press G to move it inside. And also downwards. Like that. And Shift D. R to rotate. Just gonna move this. Okay, I'm just gonna rotate this guy. Press G, I'm gonna move him in. G again. And then that's about it. Then we can just grab these, shift select, press Ctrl J to join them, and then you have our front nails, which looks very interesting. And it has these subdivisions and it's completely mirrored. So yeah, thank you guys for your time. See you guys in the next one.